I believe that there will be many, many ecological impacts of these as well. And I don't think we have time to talk about them, so I'm not going to talk about them. But I think there will be massive effects on small animals, including insects, small mammals, birds, and also widely on plants. And that one of the things I think will probably happen is that we'll have gigantic fires caused by 5G because the EMFs make plants produce very high amounts of highly volatile, highly flammable terpenes, which are, pretty much like spraying the plant with a light spray of gasoline. They are very, very flammable. We may have seen the first 5G fires in South Korea, and so those are things that are of great concern. South Korea was the first country to have stated that it's putting out 5G. So.